Hello, welcome in. This will be my first YouTube video. This is really just to document for myself my progress as I go along this journey of a loc journey. So this will be my first time. I have long, as you can see, fine hair, very soft and curly. So I know that this process is going to be particularly long for my hair type. And I have low porosity hair as well. So I've done research for the last 6 months, and I was ready, dying, itching to like have these in already before I actually did. So that's when I knew I was ready. And I went to my stylist. I did do a consult with a loctician, and I wasn't really feeling what I was getting in the space and the environment that was created. Not him personally or what he does, but yeah, I just wasn't comfortable. So I actually went to my stylist. She does natural hair as well, mostly natural hair actually. Her shop does 90% natural hair, so she still does relaxers for people that want them, and she also does 2-strand twist comb coils and lock retwist shampoo, you know, like all of the services that are needed. So myself, I want to start with her, but I do want to be autonomous as I go along. So I just want to learn what I can and then take what I learn and do it myself, just to start. So I wanted 2-strand twist. I didn't want comb coils. I want a thicker lock. So I actually asked her, only thing I asked her to do was just to give me a thick pattern. I didn't care what pattern she put in, whatever she is comfortable with or recommends. And she gave me the Bricklayer Pattern. And I should say on one weekend, so tomorrow will be my first week. So I got these installed January 23rd, 21. And so that's 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So I think that's pretty cool for a start date. Easy to remember. And yes, this is what I have. I have low porosity hair, fine hair. I think people who know my hair in its natural state, how thick and voluminous it is, when they see me have something like this, they're like, where did your hair go? It's like, well, they may not realize that I have fine hair. So of course I knew that my 2 strands were going to be close to my head and not thick and voluminous like people who have a different texture than me. So I've done 2-strand twists on my hair myself for a while. Only kept them in up to a week because I wash my hair every week. So I already knew what to expect. I just knew she would do a better job of the parting and be more specific and detailed in that. So this is what we're working with. Fine curly hair, brick pattern, brick layered pattern, or staggered. And I'm ready to go ahead and put some water in my hair. So I'll probably do a water rinse tomorrow, and then I'll wash my hair next week. So far, I'm loving waking up and having to do nothing with this. So I'm looking forward to more of that. And my reasons why doing this is because I only did relaxers since I was 12 up until about 35. To date, I'm 37. And I stopped doing relaxers at 35 because my hair was thinning and I have a lot of it. It's not as much as it used to be, but you know, my stylist, she was like, well, you know, that's what relaxers do, honey. So I was just like, I can't take this. And not to mention it's linked to relaxers are linked to breast cancer, and my mom is currently going through breast cancer treatments. So I'm like, as much as I can put that off, I'd rather not. So I went natural, been natural for 3 years now, and it brought me back to the reasons why I wanted a relaxer, because that was the thing to do at that time. That was like the best tools at hand to have your hair more manageable. So, and I was 12. So I didn't want to do it for any other purpose but just to be able to do it myself. I was very tearful in the mirror, crying, very upset, tired arms. And yeah, I'm kind of got back to that, but not like that. More just like, I can't deal with all this detangling, you know, hair on the floor and then the counter and this comb and the tub. You know, I can't, I'm done with that. Like, enough of that. So, I was talking to somebody that had locks, dated a few people with locks actually, and it's some of the conversations and comments that were made about them really struck a chord with me. So that's when I started to go down the YouTube wormhole and doing research for myself, and it just made so much freaking sense. Made so much sense to me at this time in my life, and knowing what I want, what my goals are for my hair. I've always had long hair, and I will continue to have long hair as long as God blesses me to have it. And I want stylable, manageable, and less maintenance than clearly loose natural. And this seemed the way to go. So here I am. These are my reasons why. I'm 1 week in, essentially. And I'll probably post some pictures after of maybe my loose natural as a kid, maybe not. But it's just my hair prior to leading up to this. So anybody that's come by my channel, I appreciate you staying with me this long. I'm trying to keep these videos short because everybody's time is precious and everybody else has other videos that they want to watch. So thank you for your time, guys.